Justice Blay, formerly of Midiama Asante Kotoko, is currently in Ghana and now resides in Accra. Justice Blay, wabon the ball, ama Midiama da. Na wabon the ball, ama Asante Kotoko adano. Currently, or Ghana or Tenkran. Nation Football Club have opened advanced talks, negotiation with the player ahead of second transfer window of the 2025-2026. Details and more no ewa ha me de bro. Baby an komondie no akwa akuduru no. Me de nyina Asia in this particular video. Me say ha say na ye ntiase fie. Information wo wi ase nya sipani e de mu nchechemu no bro. Justice Blay. Obeka I said the other time me the report be bro say e likely say obesa join the Ghana Premier League side. Na baby obe join no ena nanye seal ena me no ka say no ena date no 5th of January. 5th of January, we have about 10 days to close the transfer window. Now, Justice Blay, any nations have seen common no, a quite chiripa, a dear back pebi, and a car, Madame Wassam, a bro, Eufia. Now, no, say Ghana Football Association breaking news. Omodi yaba 2 clubs, our Ghana football mu, yabani omo. Sabi in Semuno no Dawson, in Semuno no Dawson. Ndra Kotoko course wedro nsehunu course tembia sa home team enya ye friend say akwanya na o hosti ni opponent a opese o hye na nie ya sebi san kura sesem we no medwen ho a mente ase enra 2 clubs enra me sure say wahu Ashanti Gold 04 FC e wokumase no omo media team a omu twa omu photographers ni ade no ya bo omu poto na omu da hospital na ehun nsema betodwa teams mienu ewo division 1 league no mu ya ban omu straight away say omu mobo ewo omu fie bio but ehun nsem bro pa cha subscribe no wa hit adoma no na ya build together obe join Kotoko reaction no Kotoko reaction na 0247 107260 0247 107260 na yendi kasubom ewo ho afi mamenko without much I do yonko stories no quickly enra Park Academy hosti team a friend Ashanti Gold FC na the violence at the home grounds of Park Academy na obude eniye obude share the guest team which is Ashanti Gold FC no na nya asem ketwa enra social media me hu photos ni bi so wako social media me hye se wo hu na na jo me beda na me hu se Ashanti Gold 044 na post photos a ye de bandage a chichire omo cameraman ni omo media team no so hu nti there were violence at the grounds ena Port City a player from Kobla Junior or ye Kotoko target no eno omo so bobo omo ni true democracy has for nam for no omo bobo eno so ye say reporter a free game ne mu ba no kike enya sem ketwa enti football ye see abeye ne aye ne ye enti bi no ka say no awie ya Ghana Football Association executive committee no abane sa 2 clubs we from say omo bo on omo home grounds inti say no Ghana Football Association ne dey abeto you say indefinitely these 2 clubs Park Academy owo offense no say home grounds no ntimi mobium sababa ya nso na obodo ntimi mobium na Port City nso Sugakupe area omo nso formation amensa kan say omo nso ya ban omo indefinitely by the Ghana Football Association from playing at omo home grounds na jefefo no ekoso kire mu say enam say teams a omo ne omo bebo no in the division 1 league no omo de mfunsuo ni omo ho no jefefo no ebepanyansa kwan su bi na venues a games a sa teams a ya ban omo from playing omo home grounds hi omo next games no ya bepe baby a ebesiuti omo opponent no say bia oni Kimface and bebo next game a ebia Park Academy say no ye be metima ma na bebo no ebia baba yara na say betima ma na bebo no Abraham Kese sɛ ne yɛbɛyɛ a ebe favor Kimfesa na Kimfesa baabi a yɛde Park Academy ne home game no venue ne bɛkɔ no affecte ne opponent ne mo ɛwɔ sɛ Park Academy for no ɛna punish obo mo nti GFA nhyehyɛ ya omo de abetu dwa no nti no ya ban omo indefinitely from playing at omo home ground. I hope say ebeye more enye 1 or 2 games but ebeye more na sika ne nyoma bi oso mutua bia omutua very important football no ne yeye nti yesi yeye football na yenye ne ye. Now Justice Blay to Nations FC na card ya ba akopɛ Justice Blay to Nations FC me nye obi a Justice Blay me ye na adwuma ma no but wabo media ma wabo Kotoko ɛno hwɛ ne worth of experience na yehia ne league num ɛbɛma league num ayɛ de media ma currently omo ontime return because media ma say you know omo team ne so much packed na Nations FC titiri a Kotoko funny players na nsen you know we say Justice Blay ba obeboa according to report I'm in Sakan or saying Justice Blay has confirmed to Nations Football Club officials that the final clearance must come through his manager. Justice Blay are confirming actually Nations FC say final clearance no I was say about through the manager. Justice Blay in the manager and there I say 4 and 5 no omo tell me a fine pound you say or no the only problem sa nation for no say omo pena final clearance and come through the manager. Now was hard to say he has also expressed his readiness and willingness to feature for Nation Football Club once the green light is given. Also only problem once green lights no will be given and paperwork all through in the next 10 days okay or you ready say obesabo Ghana Premier League no obebama Nations FC no aba Santiba so iri oba ne namfofo wukumase no sane omo I say Kotoko no sense bebere si club house na gay we wakofaraba the mad omunye careful we player one my delay and why mabit makanipa ti bebere abum nti Justice Blay I'll be happy of course America ora metese okọ no on say America no me say o papa nsi fie ho and I kwa abrochi una nansi fie oho okoye no to America okoto aduane ba ko be $50 no the saneba Ghana is come ko be 8 million so nti abrochi nya fosa se on kran o tin kran ozo obo league Nation FC yembo mpa say dey we be go through amano enya bad move it would be a good move for Ghana Premier League no and Kotoko Nations and so there o say ayonko fa no very well